The client said the air conditioner suddenly stopped cooling. 2 technicians came to check. Everything looked normal. After a quick repair, the AC worked again. The next morning, the client called again.
The AC isn't working. Can you come back?
They felt something strange, but they returned in the late evening. When they arrived at the house, one technician froze. A man was sitting on the outdoor compressor. He looked like another technician. But when they looked again, he was gone. They repaired the AC once more. After finishing, they called the client.
Already fixed. Please don't let anyone sit on the compressor. It will overheat.
But the client said,
There's no one in the house. Our whole family is on vacation.
The technicians packed their tools as fast as they could. As they walked to the car, one of them pointed back at the compressor. The man was sitting there again. This time, they saw his face clearly, bruised, twisted, as if he had fallen from very high. A uniform just like theirs. They suddenly remembered a story. A technician who died in a condo accident, who fell while repairing an AC unit. They believe his spirit must have followed the second-hand compressor and now sits there forever, waiting, watching,